Which grind and brew coffee maker is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the right one. Today, we're exploring 5 options that stand out in a crowded market. Product number 1, Ninja Luxe Café Premier. First up is the Ninja Luxe Café Premier, which combines espresso, drip coffee, and rapid cold brew all in one machine. Priced at $599, it caught my attention for its versatility and barista-like features. If you want cafe-quality drinks without leaving your home, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Ninja Luxe offers 3 brewing methods with 2 espresso styles, 3 drip coffee styles, and 2 cold brew options. That's a lot of flexibility. The integrated grinder has 25 settings to give you the fresh grind that enhances flavor. Plus, the weight-based dosing ensures you never over or underbrew your coffee, a common issue with other machines. Now, some people complained about its price. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your coffee and want a machine that does it all, the investment might be worth it. For casual drinkers, it might feel like overkill. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with different coffee styles and want a machine that can do it all. Skip this one if you're just looking for a simple drip coffee maker without the bells and whistles. Now, if the price of the Ninja Luxe Café bothered you, the next product could be a more budget-friendly option that still delivers great coffee. Product number 2, Black Plus Decker 12 Cup. Next, we have the Black Plus Decker 12 Cup digital coffee maker, priced at just $34.99. This machine is a steal, especially considering its great reviews, standing at 4.4 stars from about 49,000 people. If you want a reliable, no-fuss coffee maker, this is worth a serious look. What makes this machine great? The Sneak Cup feature lets you grab a cup before the brewing is done, no more impatient waiting. Plus, the digital controls make it easy to program your brew time. And the washable basket filter means less waste and easier cleanup. However, some users mention the build quality feels a bit cheap. But honestly, considering the low price point and the functionality, it's hard to complain too much. If you're rough with appliances, this might not hold up as well, but for the average user, it's a solid choice. This is great for you if you want a straightforward and affordable coffee maker without advanced features. Skip this one if you need specialty brewing options or a built-in grinder. Alright, that was a strong contender. Now moving on to something a bit more sophisticated. Product number 3, Philips 5500 Series. Up next is the Philips 5500 Series fully automatic espresso machine, coming in at $764.15. This machine stands out for its ability to craft 20 different types of coffee drinks, so if you're a coffee connoisseur, this is worth a serious look. It automatically grinds, tamps, and brews with just one touch, which means your perfect cup is just a button away. Plus, it's designed to be quiet, which is a nice feature in case you're brewing early in the morning. Now, some people found the price a bit steep, and I get it. But if you drink specialty coffee every day, think of it as an investment. It could save you money in the long run compared to daily cafe visits. This is perfect for you if you want cafe-quality coffee at home and love the convenience of automatic brewing. Skip this one if you're not ready to commit to a higher price point for your coffee needs. If the Philips is too pricey, you might like the next one, which offers great functionality without breaking the bank. Product number 4, Ninja Specialty Coffee Maker. Next up is the Ninja Specialty Coffee Maker, priced at $149.99. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from around 19,500 reviews, this machine caught my eye for its blend of style and functionality. If you want a versatile coffee maker that can brew a variety of styles, this one is definitely worth a serious look. What's really cool about this Ninja model is its ability to make everything from classic coffee to specialty brews like lattes and macchiatos. It offers 6 brew sizes, so whether you're making just 1 cup or a full carafe, it's got you covered. The built-in frother allows you to create silky froth for your drinks, and the removable water reservoir makes filling easy. However, some folks have mentioned it's a bit bulky. If you're short on counter space, that could be a concern. But for most kitchens, it's a reasonable size and the functions it offers are hard to beat at this price point. This is ideal for you if you enjoy a range of coffee styles without needing a complicated machine. Skip this if you prefer a compact design or a more basic coffee experience. Now, if the size of the Ninja Specialty bothered you, the next option might be a great fit for limited spaces. Product number 5, Shark Ninja CP307. Finally, we have the Shark Ninja CP307 hot and cold brewed system priced at $229.99. This one's a unique option because it lets you brew both coffee and tea, and it's rated 4.5 stars from about 8,400 reviews. If you're a tea lover as well as a coffee drinker, this is worth a serious look. What makes this product stand out is its cold brew feature, which brews coffee or tea at a lower temperature for a smoother flavor. The system recognizes what's in the basket, so you don't have to guess the right settings. Plus, it keeps your drinks hot in a thermal carafe, which is always a plus for serving guests. However, some users pointed out that it can take longer to brew than expected. But honestly, if you're making a quality drink, a few extra minutes are often worth it. Just plan ahead if you're in a rush. This is perfect for you if you love both coffee and tea and want a machine that does both well. Skip this one if you only drink one or the other and want something simpler. All in all, each of these machines brings something unique to the table, whether it's versatility, affordability, or specialty brews. So to recap, we explored the top 5 grind and brew coffee makers. The Ninja Luxe offers the most versatility but at a higher price, while the Black Plus DECKER is a great budget-friendly option. The Philips 5500 is perfect for espresso enthusiasts, the Ninja Specialty caters to various brewing styles, and the Shark Ninja is a fantastic choice for both coffee and tea lovers. Each has its strengths, so choose the one that fits your coffee lifestyle best.